Start muna tayo. 5 minutes warm up, 6.44 kilometer na training, easy pace, recovery lang tayo from LSD, and then 5 minutes cool down. Yo, come here. LSD tayo kahapon. Ano na tayo ngayon? Easy recovery pace. That's it. Tako muna. Whoop, start na. Wee! Gawin ito. Woohoo! Oh, tapos na. Uwi na. Oof. Mainit lang pero okay naman. That's it.